In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to add or remove desktop icons in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also navigate to your keyboard, press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left side and locate for personalization, which is next to network and internet, and from that, please proceed with themes. Click on it. And afterwards, you would be able to see this kind of window. Please scroll down and locate for desktop icon settings. You can see a forward arrow key. Click on it. And eventually, you would be able to open a new window where it contains the desktop icon settings. So you can now close this window so that we can focus on this one. So in order to add the desktop icons, all you need to do is you need to navigate here at the top, at the box aligning to it. And here, in order to add a specific icon, all you need to do is you need to mark it checked. Okay. So click on checked here if you would like to add all these desktop icons and click on apply and then OK. In a few moments, you would be able to add a desktop icon here in your Windows 11. Okay. So you can see your network, your how to fix guides, which is my user account, your this PC where you can manage your computer, and your control panel, which contains all of the computer settings. Okay. So on the contrary, if you would like to remove a specific desktop icons here, all you need to do is you need to make a right click here in this blank space area where no specific icons has been selected. Then click on personalize. The moment you click on it, you would be able to be navigated directly to the personalization settings. Okay. And by that, please click on themes again. And then here, you need to scroll down and locate for desktop icon settings. Click on this forward arrow key. And in that way, you would be able to bring up a similar window, which is your desktop icon settings. So close the settings so that we can focus on this one again. So just identify those icons that you would like to remove. So let's say, for example, you don't want to see your disk PC or computer. Unchecked it, click on apply, and eventually it would be removed here. And if you don't want you to see the control panel, unchecked it, click on apply, and it would be removed here. And if you would like to remove the network, the user files, and remain the recycle bin appear in your desktop, click on apply and leave that checked and click on OK. And eventually you have just successfully removed the desktop icons that you have selected on the desktop icon settings here in your Windows 11, and you have leave this recycle bin appear here in your desktop. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully those steps that help you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.